1/3 of the amount of land around the lake belongs to us, and so we have moved away from farming, as farming, the effluent flows off into the waterways and pollutes our waterways. We're doing a land use change, which means we're planting the property in trees to improve the health of our lakes. It's going to improve the health of our farm, our whenua, and so planting trees and planting native trees was the only way for us to go. It was enabling us to return the land to basically how it was when Mum and Dad received it. It was all in Mānuka anyway. So we're doing this full circle. Who knew that back then Mānuka honey would be the liquid gold of the world? And so we're returning back to Mānuka.